Hi my cousins, I'm back with another video. I will be showing you how I do my hot oil treatment, and at the end I will be doing a single twist tutorial. So if you would like to see that type of video, keep on watching. I'll also be using all new products in this video, so I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be using. So for my hot oil treatment, I'm going to use the Hot 6 oil. This is what it looks like. 6 oils in one. 1 hot oil, 2 hair oil, 3 body oil, 4 scalp oil, 5 bath oil, 6 nail oil. And so I'm going to read the directions for any of you guys that have never used this before. It says to use as a hot oil, shampoo hair, then towel dry. Place Hot 6 oil in a container of hot, not boiling water until hot. Massage Hot 6 oil evenly into hair and scalp, and then cover with warm, moist towel for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then style. So that's what I'm going to be using for my hot oil treatment. Then I'll be using the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Conditioner. This is what it looks like. And it, oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells so good. And then I'm also going to be trying out the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. This is what it looks like. I've tried this before, but I have not tried it on a twist out, and I don't really like leave-in conditioners on my hair. But I'm definitely going to use this one, and I have the Eco Styler, the Super Protein, and it's the Max Hold, and this is what it looks like. So I'm really excited to use this one. I've heard that it's really good, and it's for dry and damaged hair. So we're going to see how it works out. So if you would like to watch that type of video, then keep on watching. And also down in the comment, let me know if you would like for me to do like a product review, like when I try these different products, and let you know how they worked out or if I like them on my hair. So if you want me to make those type of videos, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, so we're going to start the video off by my mom washing out all of the old product in my hair. She's going to apply the conditioner by Main Choice to my hair. She's starting at the roots of my hair, and then she's just pulling the conditioner through. If you would like to see my full wash routine, I do have a video up, and I will link that down in the description bar. After she applied the conditioner all through my hair, she ran some warm water over my hair and lathered the conditioner up. Here you see her washing the conditioner completely out of my hair. While she was applying the conditioner, we allowed the hot oil treatment to sit in some hot water until we were finished. Now she is applying the hot oil to my scalp and all through my hair. She is going to use a wide tooth comb to spread the oil evenly through my hair. She used her fingertips to massage the oil on my scalp. She divided my hair into 4 sections, and she applied the oil, and then she put my hair into Bantu knots. I'll allow the oil to sit on my hair for 15 minutes. Here she is taking my hair down, and then she's going to wash my hair with the conditioner to get all of the oil out. That conditioner was so good. It made my hair feel so soft. So if you have not tried it, I would definitely advise you to go out and get it, because it's definitely worth the money. After she applied the conditioner for the second time, now she's just washing it all out. After she finished rinsing my hair out, she just combed my hair with a wide tooth comb. So additional to the products I showed you in the beginning of this video, I'll be using a spray bottle, a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb, a clamp, and a scrunchie. So I start off by parting my hair from ear to ear, and then I spray it with some more water, and then I'm going to apply the leave-in lotion, and then on top of that I'm going to apply the Eco Styler gel, and then I'm going to show you how I twist my hair. I use the rat tail comb because it smooths my hair out and it spreads the product through my hair evenly. So now I'm just showing you how I twist my hair. I just divide the hair down the middle, and then I just twist one part over the other part. Oh, my hair looks a little weird, but the gel that I'm using is brown, so that's why my hair looks brown. I'm just repeating the same steps that I did on the other side, and I'm just showing you on a better angle of what I'm doing. When I twist my hair, I'm not doing anything fancy. It's very simple. I'm just twisting one part into the other part over and over and over. So I'm just showing you in the front the same steps that I did for the back of my hair. So I'm just showing you how the twist came out, and that is my finished look.